Calvary Chapel, I'm not here today. I am away. But listen, I am urgently asking for all of your attention right now. What I'm about to announce is so out of line, it's so bizarre. It is so grievous that only our elected officials in Sacramento could think this stuff up. I have never been this angry about a bill as I am right now. I need every Christian that cares in the state of California respond to Assembly Bill 495. Assembly Bill 495 is a bill that has been put out there to the fifth of your family. Think of a divorced individual, somebody who's at odds with your family, any way that they're related in any way. They could take this form and they will be able to sign this form announcing that the parent of this child, whose name is here, is free to go with me. They take responsibility of your child. Listen, wait for it. The parent does not have to be contacted. There is no school requirement for the school to contact the parent that this individual has brought the form to request your child to be taken out of the class or a child out of the class. Listen, no background check. This is actually California Democrat state legislated trafficking opportunity. I'm going to tell you right now, people are going to freak out about this. I'm sorry, my blood is boiling. This is righteous anger if you've ever seen it. I'm telling you right now, I am righteously angry because the Democrats and what they're doing in Sacramento, they have now put this AB495 out to get passed, and it is government-sanctioned human trafficking opportunity. Our state is sick, and we've got to do something about it. Last stand. This is the last stand. Friends, listen. Again, this form releases the child to the individual that just goes to the school with the form. But listen, review your flyer. All the information is there. But here's the big mic drop. Are you ready for this? I'm asking you to take August 19th, the whole day off. Take the day off. You can take it off. Why? Because I want you to meet me at the Capitol steps in Sacramento. We're going to take on this evil. We are going to stand. I'm inviting every pastor, every Christian in California to meet me. We want at least 5,000 people at the Capitol steps, and we are going to hold Newsom and his henchmen and henchwomen accountable for what they're doing to our children in California. Sacramento rally, August 19th at the Capitol steps. More information is on the realimpact.us flyer. You can go to the website there as well. Will you please be there? Please meet me. August 19th. Breath, breathe.